In the land where strength ruled and horns decided fate, one rhino lost his weapon and found his soul. He believed that victory made peace. He had yet to learn that peace makes victory. A horn is not just for battle, it is our honor, our voice. Then I'll speak louder than all of you. He fights even his shadow. When pride drinks first, thirst never ends, and the horn that once spoke for power now spoke only of silence. What's a rhino without a horn, a mountain without a peak? He broke what made him mighty. Now he must learn what makes him wise. Let him wander. Even stone learns humility under rain. He can't defend himself anymore. Without strength, who will listen? You saved me. But why? Because I finally can. Without the weapon of pride, he found the strength of kindness. In the moment when strength had failed, unity rose like rain. You lost your horn, Tambo, but you found something far greater. Will your horn ever grow back? Maybe not, but strength doesn't always need to. And the wild learned true courage is not charging forward, but standing still when the world demands you fight. In every heart lives a horn, pride, ego, the need to win. But when it breaks, we discover something unshakable, compassion. The rhino's strength was never in his horn, but in his heart. Subscribe, like, share, and comment for more fables from the wild. Tell us in the comments, what did you learn from the rhino who broke his horn?